Basically, the building has been transformed into a trendy retail space. Jewellery, coffee, more jewellery. Lifestyle products. Let's go out. This is the central courtyard, and you get an idea now of some of the Bauhaus architecture there. Very streamlined, practical, pragmatic. Over the other side, a nice little sitting out area. Central Market, deep in the centre of Central. It's the Hang Seng building, IFC building behind. Construction began in 1938 and it opened 1 year later in 1939, and then it was the local wet market for all the people that lived in this area. Around 2003 it was closed. I suppose no longer much demand for that kind of product because this is such a built up area with lots of offices and commercial buildings. So it remained idle and dormant for almost 20 years when the government finally decided to do a renovation, and I suppose they've done a pretty good job. So it's been open a couple of years, opened during COVID, so it's starting to fill up now with more tenants. But if you're looking for a quiet spot in the centre of Central, this is it. Time to hit the steps again. The old traditional fonts. Down to street level. There's an escalator there, connected to the Central Market. I've said before, Bauhaus style, a bit similar to Art Deco, but a bit more functional and a bit more practical Bauhaus.